Okay, for math today, we are going to practice reviewing and review time. So this is the first page that you should be doing today. And all you need to do is look at each clock, say what time it is, find the way to write that time over on the other side, draw a line to match. So this one, we can see the hour hand is at the 1, the minute hand is straight up telling us o'clock, o'clock, o'clock. And so I know this one is 1 o'clock. So that's going to go over to the 1 o'clock. And then I'm going to trace 1 o'clock, practice writing those numbers the right way, and then move on to the next clock. So that is this page. The second page is continuing the same thing, but this time instead of it being o'clock, 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 we're looking at half past. So looking here, I can see it's halfway between the 12 and the 1. So we know we need the 12 and it's half past, which is 30 minutes. So this one actually is just going to go straight across to 12:30, which I'm going to carefully trace, practicing those numbers. And then move on to the next one. Now that one was unique because it went straight across. They're not usually going to do that. Okay, so go ahead and practice telling time and you can check your answers tomorrow. Bye.